In a sunlit kitchen, a silver tabby named Marble surveys breakfast with a twitch of the whiskers. Her daily adventures sparkle as she chases window light, greets the plant, and negotiates treats with a hopeful purr. She weaves through pillows, nudges a sleepy dog with gentleness, and teaches humans the art of quiet affection. Her quirky streak shines when a sock becomes treasure, a toy mouse leads a tiny parade, and she poses like royalty. At sunset, Marble curls in a sunbeam dreaming of tomorrow's adventures and the friends waiting beyond the door.